It's simple. myLAB Box is your lab in a box for at-home STD tests. We have created a product that makes frequent STD screening confidential, easy, and convenient. We have partnered with the top laboratories in the USA to bring high-quality STD screening kits to your doorstep. Step 1. Order online. No need to go to a lab or a doctor. Step 2. Test at home. Collect and mail in your sample in under 5 minutes. Step 3. Get results. Our STD test results are as accurate as those done in a clinic. Step 4. Physician consultations. Same-day physician phone consultations. myLAB Box at Home STD Tests can be self-administered in as little as 5 minutes. All you have to do is mail in a small urine, swab, or tiny blood prick sample in the self-addressed envelope that we provide, and then wait a few days for your results. Our tests are on average less than half the cost of lab or clinic tests, and we include a free physician consultation. Go to mylabbox.com to see all of our available at-home STD tests.